Hey Nathan, thank you so much for the opportunity to apply to this position. I know you didn't ask for a video, but I thought it'd be fun to do a video anyways, and it was just a fun creative little project to do, so I hope you enjoyed that. So I'm from Canada, and I seriously envy that you're in France right now. I would love to be in Europe someday, but in the meantime I would love to be hired by you. I think it'd be fun to work alongside you, work with you. I thought it would be nice to just kind of show how much I care about this opportunity. I think you're a really sweet dude. I really think you just exude a lot of joy and happiness in all your pursuits, and I just want to be part of that. Si queremos, podemos comunicar en español, ou aussi nous peut parler en français, or just plain old English works too. But I look forward to hearing back from you, and if anything, it was just a fun video to make. And yeah, to everyone watching, thank you so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I just hope to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.